So it's a wet day today and we're going to do some potting up, and it's also known as tricking out, and we're potting out our cosmos. So we've got some cosmos with a random pea growing in it. So I'm going to pot these up. We can pot these straight up into a pot. But using a pot takes up quite a lot of compost. It could just be used into a seed tray. One pot of compost will fill up 4 cells. So a bit of saving money on the compost. So I'm filling this up. It's got a mixture of compost, a bit of coir and some perlite. It's quite moist. There we go. So I've filled up 4 trays and we need a dibber. So I've got a pencil. You can use anything, pen, dibber, anything to be able to pinch them out. So this is our cosmos, and we can see it's got its true leaves. This has got quite tall now. This is the first leaves, and then this is the parent leaves. So as soon as we see the parent leaves, it's good for potting up. So I'm just going to pot these up into this tray. So I'm just going to make a hole in our cell trays using our makeshift dibber, and then we place our dibber into the compost and we dig out as much root as we can. We hold the seedlings by the leaf, by the cordline leaf, and there we go. We've got our root. As we can see, it's a nice, good, healthy root, and we need to do this straight away, as soon as possible, not to let the roots dry out, not touching the stem. If we touch the stem, it could damage it. And then we just place the seedling into the tray, slightly firm it, not too much, and there we go. That's the first one of our seedlings potted on. So holding it by the leaf, pressing it, not leaving any roots on top. Make sure they're all buried in the centre. There we go. So these are going to get a water, and then they're going to go straight back into the greenhouse, back into a cold frame, and they could go on a little bit longer. Just a spider escaping. There we go. So this is pricking out, or potting up. So we've got a few more to do, and that'd be great, and we look forward to some lovely cosmos. So I'm just going to give them a quick water. This is the water that's been in the greenhouse, not to shock them. They're going to go straight back in the greenhouse. There we go. So let me know in the comments, have you grown any cosmos? Have you potted yours up yet? How are they looking? Let me know in the comments, that'd be great. Cheers for now.